Alrighty, hello, welcome back. We're gonna talk about this storm that's gonna happen. So, currently, I'm gonna have a drop monitor because of that. So if you're drop northern and eastern central or we're going to release of the central and northern part of stuff. So we're gonna read that. So, right over there, I'm gonna that was even more worth copy this. So this kind of will get some things to it. So
what?
What's going on? So, in today's thing, we're going to talk about the rain that's going to happen. I thought it was a storm system, but I guess I was wrong, because it's just rain. So I thought it was the right rain, but I guess not. Because this is not right. So about that. And so this rain, it's gonna be so pretty good. Cause let's see what's gonna happen. And see, we're gonna have 1.5.2 inches of rain. You can also see it right over here if you wanna do that. But yeah, 1.5.2. So. Yeah, it's gonna get some rain today.
If you're trying to tell me all this stuff.
I'm making a YouTube. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so in the drought monitor, it's gonna be pretty fine. It's in the yellow part. It says what we're at, right oh! It's gonna be worse than I thought. This track has worse at. If I touch any edge of it, it's gonna make it look horrible. So even when I do this, it would look even more worse. But yeah, it's yellow, which that's abnormally nice. So yeah. But in these parts of the vineyards we're not in, we're not in this. Even though that rain, so yeah, pretty good for them. But we're not in it. We're in the abnormally dry period, so we're not really good at it. So yeah. So. In here, here's what it's gonna impact. Oh, I need to hear that. They got the see yet? Okay. So, okay. I'm gonna so now we're gonna show what's gonna impact what's happening here. Okay. So, let's see hot springs. And it's just so. This thing is mostly likely. So let's check what is in there. It's 6 p.m. a.m. So it's gonna happen like during, but when you go back. It's gonna like be worse than 5%. Then it'll kind of go. So yeah, it's pretty good weather. But this huge cut is mostly what we're gonna talk about. I think this is gonna happen because maybe what happen, I don't know. Probably in this thing is fine. So I don't know. Leave your suggestions in the comments section. I'm currently not. Leave your suggestion. Will it happen right over here? Will it happen right over here? So yeah. Leave your suggestion. So now we're gonna talk about the cold front. So we're gonna talk about, this is what is technically gonna happen. Right down here, that's what's gonna happen. But we're gonna so this is maximum. It's like some hold. It's like trying to. So fall. Is it good? No. So will fall happen? I think so. Cause look at this. Will fall happen? I think so. So. Find the rain spot. I don't know if this has any rain. Yeah, I don't think it has any rain. Well, I guess it's fine. I will see you later. Bye.